Congratulations on completing the Google Cloud Fundamentals Core Infrastructure Training course. Before you go, let's take a few minutes to review what we've covered. In Module 1, you were introduced to Google Cloud and cloud computing. Specifically, you explored the concept of managed infrastructure and managed services through IaaS, Infrastructure as a Service, and PaaS, Platform as a Service, the Google Cloud Network, Google Cloud's focus on security throughout our infrastructure, how Google publishes key elements of technology using open source licenses, and Google Cloud's pricing structure and billing tools. In Module 2, you learnt about the Google Cloud resource hierarchy, which is made up of 4 levels: resources, projects, folders, and an organization node. You also learnt about defining policies and their downward inheritance, when to use cloud identity and access management, or Cloud IAM, and the 4 ways to access and interact with Google Cloud through the Cloud Console, the Cloud SDK and Cloud Shell, APIs, and the Cloud Console mobile app. In Module 3, you explored how Compute Engine works, with a focus on virtual machines and virtual networking. You were introduced to the VPC, or Virtual Private Cloud, Compute Engine's auto-scaling feature, and important Google Virtual Private Cloud compatibility features like routing tables, firewalls, VPC peering, and shared VPC, all of which result in the need for less network management. You also explored cloud load balancing, a fully distributed, software-defined, managed service for all your traffic. Finally, you compared how on-premises or other cloud networks can be interconnected with the Google VPC. In Module 4, you explored Google Cloud's 5 core storage options: Cloud Storage, Cloud Bigtable, Cloud SQL, Cloud Spanner, and Firestore. You also examined the 4 storage classes that make up cloud storage: Standard Storage, which is used for frequently accessed hot data, Nearline Storage and Coldline Storage, which are used for less frequently accessed cool data, and Archive Storage. In Module 5, you learnt about containers, which are invisible boxes around your code and its dependencies. You were introduced to 3 container-based products: Kubernetes, an open-source platform for managing containerized workloads and services; Google Kubernetes Engine, GKE, a Google-hosted managed Kubernetes service in the cloud; and Anthos, Google's answer to modern hybrid and multi-cloud distributed systems and services management. In Module 6, the focus was on developing applications in the cloud. You explored App Engine, a fully managed serverless platform for developing and hosting web applications at scale, and the 2 App Engine environments, Standard and Flexible; 2 API management tools provided by Google Cloud, Cloud Endpoints and Apigee Edge; and Cloud Run, a managed compute platform that lets you run stateless containers via web requests or PubSub events. The focus for Module 7 was developing and deploying in the cloud. You learnt about cloud source repositories, which are full-featured Git repositories hosted on Google Cloud; Cloud Functions, a lightweight, event-based asynchronous compute solution to create single-purpose functions; and Terraform, which lets you use a template to write the specifications for your application environment in the same way you'd write a configuration file. And in the final module, you focused on logging and monitoring on Google Cloud. You explored the 4 golden signals that measure a system's performance and reliability: latency, traffic, saturation, and errors; service level indicators, SLIs, service level objectives, SLOs, and service level agreements, SLAs, which are all types of targets set for a system's 4 golden signal metrics. And finally, Google's integrated observability tools, which include cloud monitoring, cloud logging, error reporting, debugger, cloud trace, and cloud profiler. We hope that this course is just the beginning of your Google Cloud journey. For more training and hands-on practice, explore the different learning paths available at cloud.google.com/training. And if you're interested in validating your expertise and showcasing your ability to transform businesses with Google Cloud technology, you might consider working toward a Google Cloud certification. You can learn more about Google Cloud certification offerings at cloud.google.com/certifications. Thanks for completing this course. We'll see you next time.